Good afternoon and happy Tuesday. Today I'm at 22945 West Roy Rogers Court in beautiful Peakview Ranch. It's a master planned community of 1+ acre lots located in beautiful Whitman, Arizona. This parcel, I'm actually standing right in the middle of the circular drive, but this would be the drive for your guests. There's another drive here that actually takes you up, and this would be to your parking, which is a side entry 2-car extra deep garage. This house is located on a cul-de-sac lot, so you'll see at the end that's the house that it's at the end of the cul-de-sac, but it's just a super charming subdivision. It also does have private water company that its own private or own water company that serves, so it's not a well situation. There's definitely water that's abundant. So you'll notice going throughout, like you're going to see 10-foot ceilings throughout. That's one thing that's very prevalent in this house. This particular, just right at the door, you'll notice all screen doors throughout the house too on all exits. This particular door I'd probably say is 8 to 9 feet. It's pretty good size. I'm about 5'4", so if that kind of gives you a gauge. Nice solid doors, 2x6 construction. It's just, it's got that custom feel and custom build that you don't find in spec homes. That just doesn't exist. So with that added insulation comes higher efficiency electric bills and just an overall better built home. So this side of the house that I'm on right here, so foyer, sorry, I was wandering. Here's the foyer. To the right are 3 bedrooms, great room, okay? And then from this great room, you'll see, by the way, this lot size is 43,901 square foot. But what makes it super cool is that the home site itself was placed towards as close to the front of the lot as possible. So what that means to you is that you have all of this lot. You see where all that block wall is? Which, by the way, the backyard is entirely blocked in. In today's market, you wouldn't be able to get that done for less than $40,000. There is definitely value in that, but that's just one less thing you have to worry about. You're all done. Okay, so there's your barbecue area. If you go this way, you'll have access to the RV gates. And then I'm going to show you that in just a minute, but the bedroom on this side would be what I would call bedroom 4. Okay, so enough of a teaser on the on the backyard. Here's your great room. All furnishings are available on separate bill of sale if you desire. The refrigerator is not included, or the washer and dryer, but again, they are available on separate bill of sale if desired. Okay, so here is the breakfast niche. Just wanted to give you a little peek on this. This actually peeks towards the entrance of the house where people walk in to go to the front door. And here, again, here's where people walk up. This is where that little breakfast bistro is, which I think would be a perfect place to have coffee in the morning. You can see the front door from here. It's just very light and airy, and these 10-foot ceilings, by the way, they go all the way throughout the entire home. It's not just the great room, it's everywhere. It's really nice. And the cabinetry itself is also a raised panel cabinetry. It's not that hollow stuff. It's got a nice deep cognac alder finish. You'll see this quite a bit, but this is the pantry. But there is storage abundant throughout this house, so if you do like storage spaces, you'll definitely love it. There are art niches all throughout the home, which does help if you've got a lot of pieces to hang. Here is the master bedroom on the split side. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick little spin. So this is just one side of the house that's just designated to the master retreat. The master retreat abuts the garage. And this is your master bath. That exit takes you outside to the rear grounds, which I'm going to take you back there in just a minute. This faces the side, so we'd be facing east, which would be where the RV gates are. Again, storage shed, that's a Rubbermaid storage shed. If you have interest in it, it is available on separate bill of sale. Here's a little toilet room. And more closet space. Okay, and then here's the master closet. Again, it's really good sized closet. That is important. For those of us that share our closets, we definitely need a little bigger than, than standard. Okay, so I'm gonna zip us around here. Again, great view of the barbecue area, or the fireplace, fire pit. Okay, so I'm gonna take you back into this great room. Okay guys, so just so that we can get our bearings again, I'm gonna take us back towards the front door. Front door. Okay, I'm gonna spin around. So now guys, we're facing towards the living room. To your right is going to be the other 3 bedrooms as well as the laundry. So here's bedroom 2. This guy faces a circular drive. Again, 10-foot ceilings. I think all bedrooms but one have ceiling fans in them, by the way. Okay, and then the closets are pretty much the same throughout. They've just got, you know, the bars and the stacks, but you've got that height. It still goes up 10 foot even in there. So, okay. Here's your bathroom 2, dual vanity sinks. Again, raised alder cabinetry. Storage. And here's your shower tub combo. Okay. And just so we can get our bearings, this is where this wall here would be the westerly side of the property. So it'll be given that the property faces north. All right, so now we are going to go into bedroom, or excuse me, more storage. And then this will be more just for your vacuum cleaners and coats. Laundry room. Now the laundry room is awesome because you've got space to add another refrigerator if you wanted to, or another cooler. Additional folding space, but guys, this would be a great spot to put a wine cooler because you've already got the power in the vicinity. You could just pull it through and have a nice little spot to store your wine. Okay, so bedroom 3 is here. We're just gonna do a quick spin on that. Same thing with the closet. It's kind of the same layout, but here's your view. Okay, and then the very last bedroom was going to be bedroom 4. This is the one that I would say, again, is kind of like a flex room because it's on the south side of the home. It's got, this is a little view before you get to the door that takes you in. But, oh, more storage, by the way, just in case you wanted it. But this room is great because you could, or I'll just do a quick spin so you can see what I'm talking about. So here's the bedroom. I'm going to show you. Obviously, that's where we came in. Here's the door that leads towards the patio, the rear patio, or the window. I would put a door there, and you could even push this out and make this a wonderful little attached casita. And it would be completely separated from the master retreat because the master retreat is literally on the other side of the house. So the design ideas and the ways to kind of customize it to make it yours is really cool in this house because it is a custom build, but they've also not cut corners. You know, you don't typically find closets that are 10 foot high. They typically will make it shorter because there's a cost for drywall and stucco and paint and all the other stuff that's included to build out a house. Okay, I'm going to take you guys into the rear grounds because this is one of my favorite parts. Again, custom homes are built, they're always pre-wired, so you're pre-wired for sound. You want to put speakers on the back patio, but this is the rear patio as it stands. There's that little window we were looking out earlier. There's the windows for the bedroom 4. Okay, do a little spin here. Now there are pieces that are stored over here. Those are going to go away. The owner is coming back to pick those up in one more load. Okay, so there's your RV gate. Right past that RV gate going this way is going to be your parking for the garage, the side entry. Right now I'm standing in the fire pit area. But it's just awesome. 6-foot block walls all the way around. This curbing is fabulous, and that's got to easily be a 5-inch, if not 4 to 5 inch curbing all the way around. You see all that? That's a lot of curbing. And there's some pretty big, they've got some pretty big stone pieces here too. So I don't know if you see those throughout the kind of big boulders, but that's kind of nice. Okay, so I'm going to show you this side. There you go. And then I'm just going to spin around this way and show you the other side, and that will be the conclusion of our tour. So you can see there's plenty of room for toys. They are definitely toy friendly here. I don't think that's by chance why they left this strip open. You may decide you want to build an RV garage or a workshop RV garage casita. Guys, you've got room. There is so much you could do back here. You can see what these guys did. That's a workshop. So you kind of see what potential this has at only $550,000. Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I really appreciate your support, and I really appreciate you taking the time to take a look at our homes.